It's Dr. Lily, and today we're going to do some cheek fillers. Cheek fillers are an amazing way to accentuate the cheeks. If you love makeup and you love to contour and you can't get the contour exactly correct, it's because the cheeks are pretty flat. Giving you some cheekbone is actually going to lift your face. It's going to lift the jowls. It's going to make your face look actually much more younger. It's easier to do this than to just go and chase wrinkles, because when you chase a wrinkle, the face may not structurally look correct. Giving you a heart-shaped face is the right structure, and we do that by putting fillers in the cheeks. We're going to give her a beautiful contour of her cheekbone. And it does not make you look any different. It just makes you look like you're just more youthful or rested. Makeup will go on better. She won't even have to wear as much makeup because her face is going to just look like she's been rested. She has a very thin face, and when you have a thin face, you kind of lose a lot of volume in the cheeks as you get older. We're going to replenish that right here by giving her just a very light contour of her cheekbone. Unbelievable. The difference is unbelievable. Just one syringe on each side gives you an unbelievable difference. Fillers in the cheeks can last up to 2 years if the right filler is used. We use the longer lasting hyaluronic acid filler. It's going to last for about 2 years. A lot of people, when we do them, they love it so much they come back after a year and they just want more. They want a touch up. Once you see that contour in your face, you really can't go back. It's almost something that people want permanently. We're now molding the filler in her cheek to give her that beautiful contour of the upper cheekbone. Already looks great.